Hello everyone, how to do it? Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find job on Cara art and social application. So you have to log in first, then you can see this is the news feed. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the three line right top corner on your screen. Then you can see the option jobs. Simply tap on the jobs. Then by default you'll get all jobs here, but if you want to get the specific job, then you have to search here. Like if you want to get job like video editor or maybe illustrator, so illustration, and then nothing to display. So this is a new app, 194 jobs available here. Like if you want to get the job like VFX, then you'll get more jobs here. So you can type any word, then it's available, then you'll see the job. And if you see, I click on the job, then they will redirect to you their account, like their website. Then you can read the description, job role, responsibilities, salary, everything. So this way you can find a job on Cara app. So friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.